Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JNUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis on Friday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And certainly want to get things updated here and keep them updated, as this one has been all over the place. And depending on your perspective, the bulls are still in full control. I really went into depth on that on Friday, but let's just assume that this was the low, which as it stands right now seems to be the low. Well, when you picture where the previous lows were, which would be right here, and then another set of previous lows down here, you can see that if you were to picture those as stair steps, the stair steps are progressing in the upwards direction. So that's why this morning was pretty interesting, because was the price going to get any sort of continuation from the late day strong action on Friday? And we got our answer. The price did indeed get continuation as the price headed all the way back up there. Didn't quite get up to the level of resistance up there at $9, but nonetheless still made a good run. Now late day though, the bears did step back up as the price got hit back down. But again, it all depends on perspective, meaning if you're a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 8 seconds, then yeah, for you the chart is not looking so good. But from the big picture perspective, from looking at multiple days, not just a few different candles, the bulls put in that higher low right here, and they still have plenty of opportunity to do so. And the key thing, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have been watching the past videos, continues to revolve around the purple line there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. And you can see that the price, slightly got above it on Friday, and then on the pullback this afternoon, as I already pointed out. But check out right where it decided to bounce, right above that purple line. So ideally speaking, from the bulls' perspective, you want to see the price stay up above that purple line. If the price does break below it and then start to close below it, at that point, yeah, the chart starts to lose some attractiveness. I'm not saying the chart is ruined. So there's a big difference between losing attractiveness and being ruined. But as long as the price stays above the purple line, that's truly the name of the game. As far as levels of resistance, nothing new has changed. $8.20 still that initial area of resistance, and then after that up there around the $9 mark. So a lot of movement, which is obviously why people like these leverage ETFs. So we'll see what happens with it, but still 4 days left this week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the ETFs and stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate ETFs and stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.